During a maneuver, the pilot from plane A can see Anuja at an angle of depression of 60 degree and Sarthak at an angle of depression of 30 degrees. What is the altitude of the plane? Draw the figure and show your steps. Let this be the position of plane A. P is the position of Anuja. S is the position of Sarthak. Let's draw a line parallel to PS through A and AM be the altitude of plane A. Plane A can see Anuja at an angle of depression of 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. Since the line through A and PS is parallel, angle at P is also 60 degree. The plane A can see Sarthak at an angle of depression 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Since the line through A and PS is parallel, the angle at S is also 30 degree. What is the altitude of the plane? That is, we have to find out AM here. In triangle APM, we are going to work with the two right angle triangles, and AM is common to both the right angle triangles. In triangle APM, tan 60 is equal to AM upon PM. Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to AM upon PM. That is, AM is root 3 times PM. So we got the value of AM using the triangle APM. The same way we will get the value for AM using the triangle AMS. Let this equation be named as 1. In triangle AMS, tan 30 is equal to AM upon MS. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 AM upon MS. From here we get AM is equal to MS upon root 3. This is equation 2. So from 1 and 2, since the left hand sides are equal, right hand sides will become equal. That is, root 3 times PM is equal to MS upon root 3. That is, MS is equal to 3 times PM. Given that the distance between Anuja and Sarthak is 1365, this can be written as PM plus MS is equal to 1365. PM plus MS can be written as 3 times PM, which is 1365. 4 times PM is 1365. That is, PM is 1365 upon 4, which is 341.25 meters. Substituting this PM in the first equation, that is, AM is equal to root 3 times PM, which is 341.25 root 3 meters. This is the altitude of plane A.